the silence of this room, I still hear the sound of you. Every shadow on the wall moves like memories that crawl. I try to every breath, a trace of you. Every dream still feels like truth. Time has passed, but not the ache. Someone's never learned to break. I see your face skies that lost their light. The world feels empty, cold as night. Every road I try to take leads me back to the heartache. The shadows whisper your name, and I'm the one left with the blame. Fallen horizon, I can't see the place where you used to be. I reach for dawn that's out of sight, trapped forever in the night. I trace the lines of empty streets where laughter once and heartbeat meets. Every corner hides your face. Every silence fills this space. I try to move, but I remain caught inside this endless pain. Empty hallways, silent calls. Every step I take alone reminds me I'm on my own. I search for light that's not around, only echoes of a hollow sound. Alone in the dark, I face the night. No hand to hold, no guiding light. The world is still, but I can't rest. Lost in the void grips my chest. Memories haunt like ghostly flames. I hear your voice, but not your name. Every corner hides your face. Every shadow fills the space. I reach for hope, but it's not there. Only darkness everywhere. Alone in the dark, I face the night. No hand to hold, no guiding light. The world is still, but I can't rest. Lost in the void that grips my chest. If I could scream, no one would hear. My own reflection disappears. Alone I stand, alone I fall. The silent dark consumes it all. Alone in the dark, I face the night. No hand to hold, no guiding light. The world is still, but I can't rest. Lost in the void that grips my chest. I wrote your name across the sky, but rain erased it overnight. These words I hide, they never fade, just ghosts of things I couldn't say. Every line a bleeding truth, every page reminds me of you. Letters never sent, scattered in the wind. I can't prevent shadow sleeps beneath my skin, a whisper lost where I begin. The ink has dried, the paper torn, but silence cuts like I was born. I see your eyes in every flame and burn the words that spell your name. Letters never sent, scattered in the wind. I can't prevent every word I meant to say. Still haunts me night and day. If I could send them now, you'd know how every silence made me grow. But time has turned your voice to stone, and I'm still writing here alone. Letters never sent, lost inside the things I can't repent. Every tear I tried to hide still bleeds through words that never Every shadow knows your name. I still see your face in rain. Every breath I take feels cold. In this room where stories unfold, time slips away like a ghost. Your voice, the one I miss the most. So I scream into the night. that keeps me breathing, keeps me alive. I trace your words upon the wall, fading letters I recall. Every promise we once made, now just ashes in the rain. I still reach for you in dreams, but nothing's ever as it seemed. So I scream into the night, but no one hears me cry inside. You're the echo of goodbye that keeps me breathing, keeps me alive. Time will fade, but scars remain. In my soul you call my name. Though you're gone, I can't let go. Love still burns beneath the snow. So I scream into the night, but silence takes your side. You're the echo of goodbye shadows crawl across my mind. The path we walk now left behind. Every step feels cold and bare. Your memory floats in the air. I reach for hope, it slips away. The night divides the dying day. Fading light, I cannot hold the warmth we share. Now turns to cold. I call your name, it disappears, lost in the dark, alone with fears. I see your face in broken glass. Reflections blur as moments pass. Every whisper, every sound reminds me of the love we drowned. I try to move, but shadows cling. I've been running through the rain, chasing ghosts inside my brain. Every road just leads me back to the place where light turns black. I hear your voice in every sound. No matter how far I turn around, I'm running from the past, from shadows built to last. Your memory won't fade. It's carved in every scar I've made. I can't broken frames and shattered nights. Still I chase the fading lights. Every step just burns the ground, but your ghost is still around. I thought the pain would let me go, but every mile just makes it grow. I'm running from the past, from shadows built to last. Your memory won't fade. It's carved in every scar I've made. I burn the letters, tear the name, but fire can't erase the shame. Your voice still echoes soft and low, a song that time won't let me go. I'm running from the past, but your ghost runs just as fast. No matter where I hide or stay, you're the night that won't decay.